Welcome friends, welcome again to another holiday crafting sessions. Today we are going to explore beautiful projects X-Max Wreath, Rustic Jute Craft Wreath, Burlap Wreath, Rustic Jute Craft Sparkling Foam Sheet, add some yarn and along the way we will also talk about the wonderful benefits of crafting, how it brings joy, relaxation and creativity to everyone. So let's get started. First up, let's make a simple and festive X-Mix wreath. Start with a circular base. This could be a foam ring, cardboard or even a wire hanger shaped into a circle. Wrap it with green ribbon, fabric or paper strips until it's fully covered. Now add decorations, pine cone, berries, small ornaments or bows. Use hot glue to secure everything in place. Finally add a ribbon to loop at the top so it can hang beautifully on your door. This wreath is not just decoration, it's a symbol of welcome, inviting warmth and cheer into your home during the holiday. Now let's move to the something rustic and natural jute crafts. Take some jute twine and wrap it tightly around a cone shaped base to create mini Xmas trees. Add tiny beads or stars or ornaments. You can also use jute to wrap old glass jars, tying them with bows and adding a spring of pine for a glowing candle holder. The beauty of jute is its simplicity. Rustic farmhouse look, it gives your decoration a farmhouse charm and while being eco-friendly. Plus, it's budget friendly and very versatile. Rustic craft like these make your home feel cozy and grounded. Glitter foam sheet wreath. Now let's add sparkle to the foam sheet. X-Mix wreath, cut a large ring out of cardboard to use as your base. Next, take green glitter foam sheets and cut them into strip or leaf shapes. Glue them around the base in layers until the wreath is full and bright. And red foam sheet berries, a gold bow or even stars for extra decoration. The wreath is colorful, light and perfect for kids to make. It shines under the holiday light and adds a cheerful touch to any wall or door. Now that we have made three beautiful crafts, let's pause to talk about the benefits of crafting. Crafting is not only fun, it's good for the mind and soul. It encourages creativity, reduces stress, and helps us slow down during the busy holiday season. It's also a wonderful family activity. Kids, parents, and grandparents can join in together, creating decoration and memories that last a lifetime. Handmade crafts are also sustainable and budget friendly, helping us celebrate Xmas with meaning rather than excess. And finally, creating give us a chance to express ourselves. Each ornament, wreath, or decoration reflects a little piece of who we are. So today we have created a classic wreath, rustic jute decoration, and a sparkling foam sheet wreath, each unique, beautiful, and full of holiday spirit. Remember, crafting isn't about perfection, it's about joy, mindfulness, and creativity. Every handmade piece you create adds warmth to your home and love to your celebration. Thank you for joining me on this festive crafting collection. Rustic Jute Killer Crafting Wreath. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more holiday inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting and happy festival.